Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look into the superfoods that can improve your vision. Here are 11 superfoods that will help you to supercharge your vision. 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Especially in low-light environments, adding carrot into your diet helps massively in maintaining good vision. Consuming carrots helps to avoid vitamin A deficiency, which can cause night blindness. 2. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that may help protect the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. 3. Kale. Similar to spinach, kale is a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and nutrients, particularly anthocyanins, which may help improve night vision and protect against age-related macular degeneration. 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, like carrots, are high in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body and is important for maintaining eye health. 6. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, trout are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may help prevent dry eyes and contribute to overall eye health. 7. Eggs. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin as well as zinc, which is beneficial for eye health. 8. Oranges and citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help prevent cataracts and support overall eye health. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and zinc, which contribute to eye health by protecting cells in the eyes from damaging. Omega-3 fatty acids that contain in nuts and seeds play an important role in maintaining the structural integrity of cell membranes, including those in the retina and the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. 10. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C and beta-carotene, offering additional support to eye health. 11. Broccoli. Broccoli contains vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin, providing a combination of nutrients beneficial for the eyes. If you learned something from this video, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon.